In a world where many are hurting, searching for hope, searching for healing, God is still moving with power. This July, Zambia will experience a mighty move of God. Global Salvation Network presents Moments with God Gospel Crusade 2026. Join Evangelist Derek Ndike from the USA, Dr. Hills from the USA, Apostle Alec Tembo, and Psalmist Reuben Kabwe for powerful worship, life-changing preaching, healing, deliverance, salvation, and miracles. And as part of this special outreach, free food assistance will be provided to the widows. The Global Salvation Network medical team from the USA will serve the community through a free medical outreach, providing medical consultations, health screenings, laboratory services, wound care, health education, prayer support, and free self-care kits. Because ministry is not only about preaching the gospel, it's about demonstrating the love of Jesus through action. This is more than a gathering, more than an outreach. This is a divine encounter, a moment where lives are changed, hearts are restored, and faith comes alive. Medical Mission July 8th, 2026 at 900 hours. Food assistance to widows July 9th, 2026 at 1500 hours. Moments with God Gospel Crusade July 10th and 11th, 2026 at 1500 hours. Venue Vision Bible Church International Garden House off Mumbwa Road along 55 Road, Lusaka. Admission is completely free. Free bus transportation on July 10th and 11th from 12 hours daily. For more details, contact GSN Zambia 2609-6903-7610. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring someone believing God for healing, breakthrough, and transformation. Jesus saves, Jesus heals, Jesus delivers. Global Salvation Network, revealing Jesus and restoring hope to the nations.